Right, so one of the first reviews I've done for a long time, and this is a 72-hour bug out bag from TSK medical.com, and the TSK part stands for Trauma Survival Kit. Now, I often get asked to do reviews and that, but most of the stuff ain't worth doing, but this is well worth having a look at and well worth reviewing. You know, I really wanted to do this one when I was offered this, so I'll show you it and then I'll put some links and that in the description and everything. So this is a 72-hour bug out bag, and I think this is well worth a look at. Right, so here's the box. I'll get out what's in it and show you. And then what I'll do at a later date, some of the stuff was in there, we can also do more, you know, have a more in-depth look at some of the items. I've got a bit of paper which tells you everything in it, but I'll show you it anyway. And there's a one-person 72-hour bug out bag. You know, like a whole kit, the whole thing in there. And the first thing we've got is the actual bag. Combat Tactical, and I think that is a 30-litre Molly rucksack, black. I'll get this out afterwards, so have a look at it. I'll tell them we'll put all the stuff in it later as well. So, like I said, I've got the list, but depends how I pull it out, you know what I mean? So I've got a hat, keep you warm obviously, emergency foil blanket, emergency bandage, trauma wound dressing, we've got another one of these, it looks like a 1,000 millilitres, that's 1 litre I think, water bottle. Deluxe PVC rain poncho. Head torch, packet of tissues, looks like there's 4 in there, that looks like face masks. Funny enough, it is written down on here, everything was in it, so I'm pretty sure that that is the surgical mask, which is there. So in here we've got looks like an emergency whistle, hand gel for cleaning your hands, Dextro energy tablets, more of them, box of windproof matches, oh sorry, waterproof safety matches I mean. Get a fire going there. Sugar-free gum, keeps your teeth healthy. Handy thing to have. Another emergency blanket. Safety glasses, always a good thing to have. So that and your masks and your poncho on, and that would soon help you, you know, in a bad environment. Oh, we've got some more masks here. Respirator mask with valve. So remember, this is a bug out bag, 72-hour bug out bag. Light sticks, big ones as well. Nice little roll of Gorilla Tape. That's excellent. Very handy. Make loads of things and do loads of things with that. Really nice, great big ferro rod. That's excellent. Survival bag. Very handy as well. "15 meters of paracord. Might look at that. 7 Oceans standard emergency ration. So I think this is a 72-hour. Yeah, I think that's a 72-hour ration. That's interesting. I've never seen these ones before. I'll get these out later and have a proper look at them, you know, and then maybe even do a review on these as part of TSK Medical's bug out bag. Mini waterproof notepad and pencil. Hand cranked radio. I think it's got a torch on the end of it as well. A solar charge. Battery free wind up power. Very handy in an emergency. Gloves. These, you know, gloves, you can't beat gloves in a situation, you know, protect your hands because you'll be using your hands for everything. It's a clever idea. Bed bath wipes. You can clean yourself. Personal care wipes. Clever idea to put them in there. And we've got a nice size first aid kit. We'll have a look in there later on as well, see what's in that. And in here we've got water purification tablets, antibacterial hand wipes, and also all these bags. You could use these bags as well. I must have dropped one of the tissues. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 7 Oceans emergency drinking water. And it says 2 by 5 by 50 milliliter. So that'll be interesting as well. I've never had these before either. So far, looks like to me a pretty good kit. I'll put a link up to the bug out bags and everything. I'm not sure how much this one costs, so it'd probably be best to have a look on the link, and then you can see what this one is. 72-hour single person one. So like I said, I think this is pretty decent. So we've got the bag, so something to put it all in. We've got stuff to make fire with. We've got water, stuff to sterilise water, paracord, we've got survival blankets and the survival bag, hygiene stuff, stuff to illuminate, you know, illuminate the darkness with, all sorts of decent things. So like I said, I'll at a later date we'll do some more individual reviews. We'll get the bug out bag, we'll do some more individual reviews about the stuff which has come in it, if you know what I mean. So far I'm liking this. I'll see if I can fit it in the bag in a minute as well. Right, so watch out for the next other ones of these videos. So cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.